Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of x plus 7 plus the square root of x minus 5. This is equal to 6. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now the first step, we can let square root of x plus 7 be equal to a, and we can let square root of x subtract 5 be equal to b. So this is to mean that a plus b, this is equal to 6. Let this be equation 1. Then we have that square root of x plus 7, this is equal to a. Now let's eliminate this square root sign here by squaring on both sides, so that now we have a squared, this is equal to x plus 7. Similarly, we have square root of x minus 5, this is equal to b. So to eliminate the square root sign here, let's square on both sides, so that now here we eliminate the square root sign, and this means that x minus 5, this is equal to b to the power of 2. The next step is that we have a squared minus b squared. This is the same thing as x plus 7 minus x minus 5. So that now x to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, this is equal to x plus 7 minus x. Then we have minus times minus 5, this is plus 5. So that now a squared minus b squared, this is equal to x minus x, this simplifies. Then we have 7 plus 5, this is equal to 12. Now we have that a squared minus b squared, this is the difference of two perfect squares that we can express as a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is equal to 12. We have that a plus b, this is equal to 6 from equation 1. A plus b, this is equal to 6. So let's substitute a plus b here with 6 multiplied by a minus b, this is equal to 12. Now the next step is to divide both sides by 6, so that now a subtract b, this is equal to 12 divided by 6, and this is equal to 2. Now we have a minus b is equal to 2. Now we have that a plus b, this is equal to 6, a minus b, this is equal to 2. Now these are systems of two linear equations, so let's sum these two systems of linear equations. A plus a, this is equal to 2a, plus b minus b, this simplifies, and this is equal to 6 plus 2, this is equal to 8. So let's divide both sides by 2, and this means that we have a, this is equal to 8 divided by 2, and this is equal to 4. Now we have the value of a is equal to 4. Now if you recall, we have seen that we let square root of x plus 7 be equal to a. So let's substitute a with 4, so that we have the square root of x plus 7, this is equal to 4. Now to solve for x here, let's eliminate the square root sign by squaring on both sides, so that now here we simplify, so that we have x plus 7, this is equal to 4 squared, and this is equal to 16. Now let's take plus 7 on the right hand side, so that we have x is equal to 16 subtract 7, and this implies that x is equal to 9. We have the value of x equal to 9. So let's proceed to method 2 from here. Method 2. Now in method 2, we have the square root of x plus 7 plus x subtract 5, this is equal to 6. So the first step is to take square root of x minus 5 from the right hand side, so that we have square root of x plus 7, this is equal to 6, subtract square root of x minus 5. Now the next step is to square on both sides. So let's square on both sides, so that now here we eliminate the square root sign that is on the left hand side, so that we have x plus 7, this is equal to 6, subtract square root of x minus 5 raised to the power of 2. Now we have that 6 minus square root of x minus 5 to the power of 2. This is in the form of a minus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then we have x plus 7. This is equal to 6 squared, which is 36, then plus square root of x minus 5 raised to the power of 2, then subtract 2 times 6 multiplied by square root of x minus 5. Now, we have x plus 7. This is equal to 36. Then plus, let's eliminate the square root sign here. So this is plus x minus 5. Then subtract 2 times 6, this is 12, multiplied by square root of x minus 5. Now, the next step is that we have x on the left hand side here. This simplifies with this x so that we have 7. This is equal to 36 minus 5. Then we have minus 12 square root of x minus 5. So we have 7. This is equal to 36 minus 5. This is equal to 31 minus 12 square root of x subtract 5. Now, let's take 31 on the left hand side so that we have 7 minus 31. This is equal to negative 12 square root of x minus 5. Now, 7 minus 31, this is equal to negative 24, which is equal to negative 12 square root of x minus 5. Now, let's divide both signs by negative 12, so that now negative 12 here simplifies, so that we have 24 divided by 12. This is equal to 2. So we have 2. This is equal to square root of x subtract 5. Now, the next step is to square on both signs here so that we can eliminate this square root sign. So this means that 2 squared, this is 4, and this is equal to x minus 5. This is x minus 5. So let's take minus 5 on the left hand side so that we have 4 plus 5. This is equal to x. So this is to mean that x is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So both method 1 and method 2 yields the same value of x, which is equal to 9. So the next step is to verify if this value of x, which is equal to 9, if this satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that the value of x, which is equal to 9, if this satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have the square root of x plus 7, then plus square root of x subtract 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So this is the square root of 9 plus 7, then plus the square root of 9 subtract 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So this is the square root of 9 plus 7. This is the square root of 16. Then plus square root of 9 subtract 5. This is 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. Square root of 16. This is equal to 4. Then plus square root of 4, which is equal to 2. This should give us a value of 6. So 4 plus 2, this is equal to 6, which is equal to 6. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 9, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.